Have you ever wanted to increase or decrease your vocal guide in your Sony ULT headphones? Here's how to do it. Firstly, we have to power up our headphones with this button. Now, when these are working, we have to go into our app, Sony Headphones app. As we can see, our phone is automatically connected. It may take some time, don't worry. As you can see, we are now connected. We have to go to the System tab, as we can see. Scroll down. As you can see, Notification Voice Guide. We have to go to the settings, turn this on, and we can adjust our volume +2, -2. We can vote and we can change the language. That's it for today. Leave a comment, leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.